सर्वेभ्यः नमस्काराः. In this topic, we will be learning the Prayoga conversion step by step. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to learn how to convert the Prayoga, steps for conversion, few examples. In Sanskrit, we have three kinds of Prayogas: Kartari Prayogaha, Karmani Prayogaha, Bhave Prayogascha iti. संस्कृते प्रयोगाः त्रिविधाः: कर्तरि प्रयोगः, कर्मणि प्रयोगः, भावे प्रयोगश्च. In order to convert the sentence from kartari to karmani, or vice versa, or kartari to bhave or vice versa, we follow and summarize the rules in the form of a table. This is the table that we are going to use when we are going to do the conversion of lakara kriyapadas. Tinganta dhatunam prayoga samaye koshtakam yad asmabhihi upayujyate tad idanim pathyate. So we have three kinds of prayogas: kartari, karmani and bhave. In kartari prayoga, we understood that the pradhana is karta, the pradhanya is given to the karta. Kartrupadam shall be in Prathama Vibhakti, Karmapadam shall be in Ditya Vibhakti, Kriyapadam shall follow the Kartrupadam and can be Parasmaipadi or Atmanepadi depending on the Dhatu. In Karmani Prayoga, the Kartrupadam shall be in Tritiya Vibhakti, the Karmapadam shall be in Prathama Vibhakti, the Kriyapadam follows the Karmapadam and shall be only in Atmanepada, and there shall be a yakara in the middle in some cases. In Bhave Prayoga, as we know that there is a pradhanya of Kriya in Bhave Prayoga, the Kartrupadam shall be in Tritiya Vibhakti. There shall be no Karmapadam in Bhave Prayoga, and Kriya Padam will be in Atmanepadi only and Prathama Purusha Ekavachana only. The Madhya Yakara can occur in most of the cases. Steps for easy conversion of prayogas. The first step, as soon as we see a sentence which needs to be converted, is to identify the Kriya Padam and the Kartru Padam and the Karma Padam in the given sentence. The moment we do that, we will be able to identify the prayoga of the given sentence also. Now, the step 2 will be to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas of the Shabdas present in the sentence and the Purusha Vachanas of the Kriya Padas present in the sentence. And we parallelly label them word by word using number system. For Prathama Vibhakti, we use 1. For Dvitiya Vibhakti, we use 2. So Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam shall be 1.1. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam shall be 2.1. Like that, we number and label the Shabdas. In the case of Purushas also, for Prathama Purusha we use 1.1, for Madhyama Purusha we use 2.1, for Uttama Purusha we use 3.1. Once we do the labeling, we will understand to which Prayoga we have to convert. Then we have the table ready with us and we convert the Prayoga of the given sentence word by word, not the entire sentence. We convert the Prayoga word by word using the table that we learnt just. These are the steps for easy conversion of the Prayoga. Let us take the first example. Balaha Patham Pathati. We should have the table with us on the right side. We have the table. Now we do the steps one by one. The step 1 is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. In the sentence Balaha Patham Patati, Patati is the Kriya Padam. Balaha is the Kartri Padam. Balaha Kim Patati iti prashne krite uttaram ayati patham iti. Therefore, patham is the karma padam and the kriya padam is following the kartru padam. In step 2, we identify the vibhakti vachanas of the shabdas. Balaha is prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Patham is dvitiya ekavachanam. Pathati is prathama purusha ekavachanam. And as already said, the kriya padam patati is following the kartru padam. Hence, the given sentence is in Kartari Prayoga. It is a Sakarmaka Vakya because it has Karma Pada in the sentence. Therefore, it has to be converted to Karmani Prayoga. The conversion, which is the step 3, has to happen word by word. Balaha is the first word. Balaha is in Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Balaha will become Balena. Patham is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Ekavachanam as per the table. Patham will become Pataha. Now the Kriya Pada which is going to be inserted in the sentence should follow Karma Padam which is Pataha. Pataha is not Asmat Shabda Aham Vavam Vayam, is not Yushmat Shabda Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Therefore, Pataha has to be associated with Prathama Purusha and it is Ekavachana. Pathati, the Kriya Pada of the given sentence is in Lat Lakara. Therefore, the conversion also has to happen in Lat Lakara. And in Karmani Prayoga, we know that the Dhatu will follow the Karma Padam and it will also be in Atmanepadi. In order to indicate the Karmani Prayoga, we add the Yakara. Path Dhatu, Lat Lakara, Atmanepadi, Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Path ya te, Pathyate. This is the form. This is in Karmani Prayoga. Balaha Patham Patati, Balena Pataha Pathyate. The next sentence that we will be seeing is Balau Patham Patataha. In this sentence, the first step is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Balau is the Kartri Padam, Patham is the Karma Padam, Patataha is the Kriya Padam. The step 2 is to identify the Vachanas, Vibhaktis and Purushas. Balau is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Patham is Titiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Patataha is Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. Now Patataha is following Balau. Therefore it is Kartari Prayoga. It has to be converted to Karmani Prayoga. The step 3 is to convert word by word. Balau will become, Balau is in Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana. Balau will become Balabhyam. Patham, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana to Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Pataha. The Kriya that we are going to insert should follow Pataha, Latlakaraha, Atmanepadi, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. That is Pathyate. Balabhyam Pataha Pathyate is answer in Karmani Prayoga. The next sentence that we will be studying is Balaha Patham Patanti. The first step is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Kriya Padam is Patanti, Balaha is Kartri Padam, Patham is Karma Padam. The step 2 is to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas. Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana, Patham is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, Patanti is Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. Now Patanti is following Balaha and hence the given Prayoga is in Kartari Prayoga. We have to convert it to Karmani Prayoga since it has a Karma Pada. The step 3, when we convert word by word, Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Balaihi. Patham is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pataha. The Kriya Padam that we are going to insert here is should follow Pataha, Latlakaraha, Atmanepadi, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Pathyate. Balaihi Pataha Pathyate. This is the sentence in Karmani Prayoga. The fourth sentence that we are going to study is Balaha Pathau Patati. The first step is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Kartri Padam is Balaha, Pathau is Karma Padam, Kriya Padam is Patati. Step 2, identify the Vibhakti Vachanas and Purusha Vachanas. Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pathau is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Patati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Patati follows Balaha Therefore, the prayoga of the given sentence is Kartari prayoga. It is a Sakarmaka Vakya since it has Patho as the Karma Padam. It has to be converted to Karmani Prayogaha. The conversion has to happen word by word. In step 3, convert word by word. Balaha is Prathama Vakti Ekavachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Ekavachanam. Balena. Patho is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Patho remains the same in Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. The Kriya Padam that is going to come has to follow Patho and it has to be Latlakara. The Kriya Padam that is going to come here should follow Patho and Patho is Dvivachana and Latlakara, Prathama Purusha, Dvivachana, Pathyete, Atmanepadi, Madhya Yakara. Punaha Vakshyami. The Kriya Padam that has to come after Pathav has to follow Pathav. The Lakara that has to be used is Lat Lakara. Atmanepadi form, Madhya Yakaraha, Pat Dhatuhu, Pat Ya, Dvivachana form, Te Ite, Pathyete, Pathyete. Ataha Karmani Prayogaha. The given sentence has to be converted from Kartari Prayoga to Karmani Prayoga. The third step is to convert word by word. Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Balena. Pathav is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It remains as Pathav. The Kriya Padam that is going to come after Pathav should follow Pathav as per the rule of Karmani Prayoga. Therefore, Patho is Dvivachanam Prathama Purusha. Latlakara is the Lakara to be used since Patati is in Latlakara. Therefore, Latlakara Atmanepadi Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam Pat Dhatuhu Madhya Yakaraha Pathyete Karmani Prayogaha. The next sentence that we will be doing is Balau Patham Shamyatam. The next sentence that we will be doing is Balau Pathav Patataha. The first step is to identify the Kartru Karma Kriya Padam. Balau is Kartru Padam, Pathav is Karma Padam, Patataha is Kriya Padam. The second step is to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas and Purusha Vachanas. Balau is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Pathav is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Patataha is Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. Patataha is following Balau, therefore the sentence is in Kartari Prayoga. Since it has a Karma Padam, it needs to be converted to Karmani Prayoga. The step 3 conversion has to happen word by word. Balau is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Dvivachanam. Balabhyam. Pathav is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It will remain as Pathav. The Kriya Pada that has to come after Pathav has to follow Pathav. It has to be in Latlakara Atmanepadi as per the table. Dvivachanam Latlakara Atmanepadi Prathama Purusha. Pathyete. Balabhyam Pathav Pathyete. Karmani Prayogaha. The next sentence that we will be studying is Balaha Pathav Patanti. Balaha Pathav Patanti. The first step is to identify the Kartru Karma Kriya. Balaha is Kartru Padam, Pathav is Karma Padam, Patanti is Kriya Padam. The second step is to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas and Lakara Purusha Vachanas. Balaha Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Pathav Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Patanti Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Patanti follows Balaha, therefore the given sentence is in Kartari Prayogaha. It is a Sakarmaka Kartari Prayogaha since it has a Karma Pada Pathav in the sentence. It has to be converted to Karmani Prayoga. We have to do the step 3 conversion word by word. Balaha is the first word. Balaha is in Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Bahuvachanam. Balaihi. Pathav is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. it has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Pathau. Now the Kriya Pada which has to follow Pathau has to, the Kriya Padam which has to come has to follow the word Pathau. Pathau is not Asmat Shabda or it is not Yushmat Shabda, hence it is not related to Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha. Pathau is Prathama Purusha. Pathau is related to Prathama Purusha. Therefore, the Kriya should be in Latlakara, Prathama Purusha, Dvivachanam, Atmanepadi, Madhya Yakaraha, Pat Dhatuhu, Atmanepadi Pratyaha, Ite, Madhya Yakaraha, Pat Y, Pat Ya, Ite, Pathyete, Karmani Prayogaha, Balaihi, Pathau, Pathyete. The next sentence that we will be doing is Balaha Pathan Pathati. First step is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Balaha is Kartripadam, Pathan is Karmapadam, Pathati is Kriyapadam. The next step is to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas and Purusha Vachanas. Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pathan is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Pathati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Pathati follows Balaha. Therefore, the given sentence is in Kartari Prayoga. It has a Karma Pada. Therefore, it is a Sakarmaka Kartari Prayoga. It has to be converted to Karmani Prayoga. The conversion has to happen in the step 3, word by word. Balaha is the first word. Balaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. As per the table, it has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Balena. Pathan is Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. As per the table, it has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Pathaha. The Kriya Pada which is to be written after the word Pataha has to follow Pataha in Karmani Prayoga as per the rule. Pataha is Latlaka, is Prathama Purusha, Bahuvachanam. Pataha is Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. The Lakara to be used is Latlakara. Latlakara, Prathama Purusha, Bahuvachanam, Atmanepadi, Madhya Yakaraha. Pathu, Pathu, Ya, Nte, Pathyante, Balena, Pathaha, Pathyante, Karmani, Prayogaha. The next sentence that we will be studying is Balau, Pathan, Pathataha. The step 1 is to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Balau is the Kartripadam, Pathan is the Karma Padam, Patataha is the Kriya Padam. The second step is to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas and Purusha Vachanas. Balau, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Pathan, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. Patataha, Prathama Purusha, Dvivachanam. Patataha is following Balau. Therefore, it is Kartari Prayogaha. It has to be converted to Karmani Prayoga because there is a Karma Pada present in the sentence. The step 3 is to achieve the conversion word by word. Balau is the first word. Balau is in Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Balabhyam. Pathan is in Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Pathaha. Now the Kriya Padam which has to follow after Pataha has to follow the word Pataha as per the rule of Karmani Prayoga. Pataha is not Asmat Shabda or Yushmat Shabda. Therefore, we have to use Prathama Purusha. The Lakara to be used is Lat Lakara. Therefore, Lat Lakara Atmanepadi Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam Madhya Yakaraha. Pat Ya Nte Pathyante Karmani Prayogaha. The last sentence that we will be studying is Balaha Pathan Pathanti. Step 1, we have to identify the Kartri Karma Kriya. Balaha Kartripadam, Pathan Karmapadam, Pathanti Kriyapadam. Step 2 is to identify the Vibhakti Vachanas and Purusha Vachanas of the sentence. Balaha Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Pathan Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Pathanti Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. The word patanti follows balaha. Therefore, this sentence is in Kartari Prayogaha. Also, there is a Karma Padam attached to it. Therefore, it has to be converted to Karmani Prayogaha. Step 3. Convert word by word. Balaha. Balaha is in Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. It has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Balaihi. Pathan. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. It has to be converted to Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Pathaha. The Kriya Padam which is going to come has to follow the Karma Padam. Karma Padam is Pataha. Pataha is not Asmat Shabda, not Yushmat Shabda. It is related to the Prathama Purusha verbs. Therefore, Prathama Purusha has to be used. Latlakara, Prathama Purusha, Atmanepadi, Madhya Yakaraha, Pat Dhatoho, Pat Patyante, Karmani Prayogaha. Balaha Pathan Patanti, Balaihi Pataha Patyante. With the help of these 9 sentences, one can easily master the step-by-step learning of Prayoga conversion and do the conversion for any sentence in Lakara Prayogas. Dhanyavadaha.